Is your Uber Eats order stubbornly refusing to confirm? Let's troubleshoot. First, check the basics. Open your Uber Eats app and head straight to the track order screen. This will give you a real-time update on what's happening with your meal. Look for details like the estimated delivery time and the driver's current location. If the driver is nearby, the issue is likely not on their end. A significant delay here, though, might point to the problem. If the order is delayed, use the Contact Driver option within the app. You can send a quick message or call them directly if the option is available. Be polite and just ask for a status update. Examine the order status closely. Is it stuck on preparing? That could mean the restaurant is experiencing delays. Is there an error message displayed that indicates a more specific problem? If everything seems normal, but the order is still not confirming, go to the Help section of the app. You'll find it by tapping your account icon. Select the specific order issue that best describes your situation. Common options include my order is late, my order is missing items, or I have another issue with my order. Explain the problem clearly and concisely in the support message. Include your order number and any relevant details. Uber Eats support can often resolve the issue quickly or offer a refund if necessary. Happy eating.